Today we're going to go over how to deploy your algorithm on QuantConnect. And first things first, grab the algorithm that you want to deploy and navigate up to the electric symbol right here. It's the live trade project. You're going to click there and the live deploy wizard will pop up. You'll come over here, select the broker you'd like to use. We're going to use Interactive Brokers today. And then you're going to fill out your username, account ID, password, select your start time, and select your choices down here. Now for Interactive Brokers, one thing to note is you're going to want to decide if you're going to want to use a live trade or paper trade. Now once you're signed in, important thing to note, go to your settings and the number that you're going to use for your account ID will be at the top right next to account settings. And that's it. Thank you.